Want to teach online in 2025? Let me show you how to use Moodle the smart way. Moodle is a free platform where teachers can create online classes, share lessons, and manage students in one place. Moodle is for both teachers and students. Moodle is a software made for online teaching and learning. Now, let's get started on how to teach in Moodle. Log into your Moodle account. Use your school email and password. You will see this interface. Click My Courses. After clicking, you will see this interface. This is where you add your courses that you will teach your students. After adding your courses, now it's time to add your students. Click on Participants. First click Enroll User. After that, you will see this drop-down. Here you can add your students by filling up these gaps. After filling up the gaps, simply just click here. That's it. You just learned how to teach on Moodle. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and comment down below.